Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're quite well, and today I have 400 plus professional multi-purpose banner. 450 professional banner. These banners for Facebook, multi-purpose banner and sport Facebook banner. Here is total property. You see here total files is 450 files in 906 MB. Okay, in 13 folder. Here is Facebook with two different size, 1200 equal to 1200 PSD, and here is about man collection, big seal. So simply you can edit it, full editables file. Here is multi-purpose banner. Total file is here 150 files in three different styles or different size. You see here and here. You can edit in Photoshop very easy, but I will. Okay, and same here. Here is two different size. Here is 50 and 50 is here 100, and sport Facebook banner. Here is two different size. Okay, so first I open this, and here is exclusive women collections and sales up 50%. So I drag this file to Photoshop CC 2018, and you see here in layer area, here is a different folder for edit, text, effects and shape, replace your image, and last is layer, background. Here is we need a image, sales photo. For example, I drag this. These files are high definition, so don't worry. Enter, Control S, and you see our banner is ready. Just you rename it, you write any your details. Okay, and stick here, no, and then I open any other templates like this. Here is 25 of, drag there, and simply drag your photo here. You see automatically effects applied. I think here is better, depend your own choice, you can edit it. And here is shape, unlock shape, apply gradient overlay, or apply single color, depend your own choice. Select color, pink or red. Okay, your own choice. No. And multi-purpose, here is for sale, business solutions, super sale, ice cream. So depend your own choice, or you can remove it. Here is travel banner, so we need a travel photo. Open it and travel. So I think I have no any photo related travel, so I drag like this. Here is singer. Minimize image. Right click, create clipping mask, and you see our picture in this design. So close it. Simply you can edit everything. Here is all files are editables. Winter sales, same here. yoga. Okay. Organic food, Mexican food, royal bean. Depend your own choice. You can edit everything. Here is sport wear as sale, sport wear sales. Okay, so we need a sales photo. Here is image, and open any sport like this. Drag here, and you see simple is image is accurate. So you can change color. Double click here and select any color. Oh, sorry, here is stroke. Select any color for stroke, and here is color. Depend your own choice. Red. You can change any other option, but select is simple. Just click on shape, go to option. So I hope this data useful for you. Kindly subscribe my Telegram channel, Sheri SK Official. Take care. Allah Hafiz.